Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have started linear equation, that is the first lesson in algebra. In that lesson, we have started practice set 1.1. In that exercise, already we have completed the first question, that was an activity based question, and we have started the second question, which was solve the simultaneous equation. I've already explained you about the form of a linear equation, and in question number 2 also we have completed 3-4 sums which are related to each other. Now I'm taking the 6th question, which was different from the previous questions which I have already explained. Now, why this sum is different from other questions which we have already finished? So, you will just see the question. The question which is given to you, they have given you the equations in fraction form. Fraction means numerator and denominator. Here, if I'll see the first equation which was given to you, I've written over here, you will see that in that equation, in the denominator, we are having a common denominator, that is 3. Therefore, I have to find out the LCM. Whenever there will be a fraction, always you have to find out the LCM. Here you can see that I have found out the LCM, and my LCM will be 3 because in the denominator only 3 is given, and that is also common 3 in both the fractions. So my LCM is 3. Now what you have to do is, whatever will be the LCM, you are going to multiply the equation, the entire equation. That means each and every term of that equation is going to be multiplied by the LCM. So here I have written multiply the equation by 3. That means each and every term is going to be multiplied by 3. So here 1 upon 3x multiplied by 3, y multiplied by 3 is equal to 10 upon 3 multiplied by 3. After doing the cancellation, you will be getting this equation. That is x plus 3y is equal to 10. That is my equation number 1. Then I'll go for the second equation which is given to you. Again, in the second equation also, they have given you in fraction. And you will see that the fraction which is given to you is having a common denominator, that is 4. So my LCM will be 4. Now whatever will be the LCM, just now I have explained you are going to multiply the entire equation by that LCM. So here my LCM is 4. So I am going to multiply this equation by 4. So 2x multiplied by 4, 1 upon 4y multiplied by 4, 11 upon 4 multiplied by 4. I did that same thing. Multiply the equation by 4. You will be getting 8x plus 1y is equal to 11. That is my equation number 2. Now, since we got equation number 1 and equation number 2, now it's a turn to see that the variable which are having the same coefficient. So you will see for y, here it is 1 and this one is 3. I can change this 1 into 3. How I will change it? By multiplying the entire equation by 3. Now, when I am going to do multiply equation, this is my equation number 2. So I did the same, multiply equation 2 by 3. When you are going to multiply this equation by 3, 8 is going to be multiplied by 3. You will be getting 24. 1 is going to be multiplied by 3. You will be getting 3y. 11 is going to be multiplied by 3. You will be getting 33. That will be my equation number 3. Now you will see that in my equation number 1 and my equation number 3, y is a variable which is having a same coefficient, that is 3. But both the coefficient is having the same sign. Already in my last lecture, I have explained you about the sign. If the number is having same sign, then you are going to do subtracting. And if the number is having different sign, then you are going to do adding. So here you will see that both the 3y is having positive sign. That means you are going to do subtracting. Subtracting equation 1 and 3. This is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 3. Since we are doing subtracting, sign will change. This 24 is having a positive sign. It will become negative. This 3y was having a positive sign. It will become negative. This 33 was having a positive sign. It will become negative. Now, here you will see that 3y, first equation number 1, 3y is having a positive sign. And equation third, 3y is having a negative sign. Plus minus minus. This term will get cancelled. And here you will be getting subtraction you will do. 24. Here no number is there. No coefficient. That means always 1 is there. So here there it is 1. 24 minus 1. You will be getting 23. Here 33 minus 10. You will be getting 23. But you have to put a greater number sign. This is 24 and this is 1. 24 is a greater number and greater number is having negative sign. That is why here negative sign will be there. Same way here also negative sign is there. Therefore x is equal to minus 23 upon minus 23. When you will cancel the term, 23 ones are 23 and minus minus will become plus. So you will be getting x is equal to 1. So here I got the value for x. Now to find out the value for y, you are going to do substituting. Now we are having 3 equations, children. Equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. I have chosen equation number 1. You can take equation number 2 or 3 also. Answer will remain same. I have taken the equation number 1. Here I have written my equation number 1. That is x plus 3y is equal to 10. I already got the value for x. I have substituted that value of x 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. This 1 is having a positive sign. When this 1 will go to that side, it will become a negative. So 10 minus 1, you will be getting 9. Now you have to find out the value for y. This 3 will go to that side. Since here it is multiply, when it will go to that side, it will be divide. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. And you will be getting the value for y. That is y is equal to 3. You got the value for x also as well as the value for y. Therefore, the last statement which I told you, that is very important. You have to write the last statement. Therefore, the solution of the given equation is 1 and 3. First I have written the value for x. Then I have written the value for y. Now this was the 6th question. This was a different question in that practice set. And only in this some fraction was given. So I have solved this equation. Solved this sum for you. Now I am taking the 7th question. That is also different and that is a board question also. That is also different. There you are going to follow one rule. Let's see which rule you are going to follow. When we will begin, at that time I will explain you what you are going to do in that sum. Now here, this is the 7th question which I have written over here. I have written the question over here. I gave the equation number. This is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. Here you will see that you can see the changes, why it is different from other sums. The coefficient of x in the first equation has become the coefficient of y in the second equation, and the coefficient of y in the first equation has become the coefficient of x in the second equation. That is the difference between other sum and this sum, children. Now, to solve this type of sum, you are going to follow the rule which I have written over here. That means, first thing you are going to do adding, then division, then subtracting, then division, and then last adding. Now, how you are going to apply this rule in this sum? Let's start with the sum. First of all, when this type of sum will come, I have explained you the difference between other sum and this sum. That is, the coefficients are interchanging among themselves. You are in this type of sum, you are not going to make the variable same or coefficient same. Here, directly you will do adding. Equation 1, add equation number 2. I have written the equation number. Here, this is my first equation and this is my second equation. I am doing adding. When you are doing adding, there will be no changes in the sign. When you are going to add 99 plus 101, you will be getting 200x. When you are going to add these two terms, you will be getting 200y. When you are going to add this two number, you will be getting 1000. Now, again, you will see that in this type of sum, always, the number which you are going to get over here and the number which you are going to get over here will always remain same. That means here also 200 you got, this one also 200. Same way, if the question, they will change, but the number which you will get in this type of sum will always remain same. That means if suppose this is 100, they will give you this also 100 only you will get. Then whatever number you are getting on this side, you are going to do division by the same number. I got 200, so I am taking divide by 200. Entire equation I am dividing by 200. When you are going to do divide by 200, you will be getting x plus y is equal to 200, 5 is 1000. So you will be getting 5. That is my new equation, equation number 3. Now, the same two equation. That means my equation number 1 and my equation number 2. I am going to do as per the rule, subtracting. I am doing subtracting. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. I have written equation number 1. I have written equation number 2. Now I am doing subtracting. When you are doing subtracting, sign will change. This one was having positive sign, but now since we are doing subtracting, it has become negative. This one was having positive sign 99. Now it has become negative. First it was positive, now negative. Again 501 positive. Now it has become negative. After doing this subtraction, 101 minus 99, you will be getting 2. But always you have to put the greater number sign. 101 is greater than 99. That is why minus sign. Here also 101 is greater than 99. That is why positive sign. Here 501 is greater than 499. That is why negative sign. After that, again you will see in the same equation, you are getting the same number over here. That means, as per the rule, you are going to do division. I have done the same thing. Divide by 2. When you are doing division by 2, divide by 2, you will see, you will be getting this equation. You are going to give number to that equation. And the number of that equation will be equation number 4. Now, what you are going to do, as per the rule, you have to do adding. I am doing adding equation 3 and 4. When you are going to write adding equation 3 and 4, this is my equation number 3 and this is my equation number 4. When I am doing adding, sign will not change. Since this is positive and this is negative, it is going to cancel. Here, coefficient is not given. That means 1 is always there. 1 plus 1 will become 2y is equal to 5 minus 1, you will be getting 4. 5 is a bigger number. That is why positive sign. Therefore, y is equal to 4 upon 2. Now, you will do the cancellation and you will be getting y is equal to 2. You got the value for y. Now, it's a time to find out the value for x. Substitute the value of y in equation number 3 I've taken 3, you can take 4 also. Don't take 1 and 2 because you can see equation number 1 and 2 both are having a bigger number. Then that your calculation will increase, children, over here. So always take the smaller one. I've taken equation number 3. X plus y is equal to 5. This was my equation number 3. In this, I already got the value for y. I have substituted that value for y is equal to 2. X plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. This positive 2, I am taking it to that side. It will become negative. When this positive 2 is coming to that side, it has become negative. 5 minus 2, you will be getting the value for 3. So here in this sum, I got the value for x as well as I got the value for y. Therefore, what is the solution? Therefore, the solution of the given equation is always first you have to write the value for y, then you have to write down the value for first x and then y. So I have written that the value for x is 3 and the value for y is 2. Okay. So after this sum, we have completed the first practice set of linear equation. In the next video, in the next lecture, we will be starting practice set 2 of the same lesson, that is linear equation. If you liked my video, like it and subscribe it. Thank you.